Introduction to CNC machines. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. CNC machines are computer controlled cutting tools that are used to create precise parts from various materials. They are used in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and manufacturing. Advantages of CNC technology: increased accuracy. CNC machines can produce parts with tolerance that are much tighter than those that can be achieved by manual machining. Improved efficiency. CNC machines can operate for long periods without human intervention, which decreases productivity and reduces labor cost. Greater flexibility. CNC machines can be easily reprogrammed to produce different parts, which allows manufacturers to adapt to changing production needs. Enhanced repeatability. CNC machines consistently produce the parts with the same dimensions and quality, reducing the risk of errors and inconsistencies. Key component of a CNC machine: control unit. The control unit is the brain of CNC machine. It receives instruction from a program and controls the movement of machine's axis. Machine frame. The machine frame provides a rigid and stable base for the CNC machine's components. Spindle and tool holder. The spindle rotates the cutting tool and the tool holder securely holds the tool in place. CNC programming and tool path generation. First, design. The part is designed using CAD software, which creates a digital model. Programming. The CNC program is created using CAM software, which translates the CAD model into machine instructions. Tool path generation. The CAM software generates a tool path, which is a series of instructions that tell the CNC machine how to move the cutting tool to create the desired part. Thus, these three, that is, design, programming, and tool path generation, is the CNC programming and toolpath generation category. Thank you.